Alright guys, another tool review. This time it's something I wanted for a while. I seen a couple of videos on the internet, so I decided to buy me my own since I'm gonna be working with the body of a car. So I was like, might as well just go and buy it. It's another, of course, Harbor Freight item. This time it's a stud welder kit. It comes with, as you can see, it comes with the whole welder as well as a slide hammer. So what this does, it's really simple. What this does is, if you have dents on a car, instead of putting a lot of Bondo, you actually pull the dent out with this tool that allows you to put less Bondo. Of course, less Bondo means less cracking afterwards, because over the time Bondo cracks. So yeah, let me open this thing. All right, box is out of the way. There it is. Of course, you get these little studs that go with I think you get like 100 of each, and then there's a manual. Of course, a friend of mine told me, "Hey, why you always throw away manuals? There's important things in it." So yeah, I'm not gonna read it. You guys go ahead and read it. I suggest you guys read every single manual of every single item you buy, unless you're really familiar with things. So yeah, there's a hammer. The hammer it's heavy though. It's 2-pound hammer. And there's the main thing, the gun. All right. I never used any of these. I have no idea how to operate them. I'll just use it as I go, I guess. I mean, learn as I go. So comes with the not that long cord though. This is heavy. There is a switch on front. So what it does, it welds this little nail looking thing on the surface of a dent, and then with this hammer you pull it out. So you pretty much put this in here, and then as you hit it, you're pulling out the dent. I'll show you that in a second. So yeah, underneath here it says circuit breaker, press to reset. Huh. Let's go over the manual real quick, because like I said, I have no idea how to use this tool. I did seen people using it. Of course, it's not gonna show no pic. Oh, yeah, well, there it is, the pictures. Oh well, I guess we're gonna just throw it away and do it my way, I guess. So yeah, let's do this. Right here, I have my friend's hood. It's a Honda Civic. It's a 10-second car, so he gave me this hood. It was carbon fiber wrapped vinyl, so he gave me to take it off and then primer it and fix some dents. So I figured this would be perfect time to show you guys how to use this tool. And of course, it's Honda, you know, it's a Honda, so it's a trash, so no big deal if I damage it. So yeah, just 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 to remind my buddy Omar, aka Puerto Rico, Honda equals trash. Okay, so yeah, let's do this real quick. I'm gonna put you right here, and I'm gonna make a little dent right there. I'm gonna use this badass hammer, and then right there. It's decent dent. Now I'm gonna get this tool. Alright. Turn it on. I guess you have to, let me now zoom out. You have to press it, hold it under there, and then you press it. That's it. So what happened is, I'll do one more, just to demonstrate one more time. You put the nail inside, right? Press this on the metal so the tip actually goes inside. After it's inside, then you press this button right there. One more time. There it is. Alright, so I'm gonna do one more time, and I will see if I can close it up so you guys can see it better. Alright. Actually, let me see if I can do it from up so you guys see what's going on. I'll do it with one hand. You press it all the way to the thing, and then you press. There we go. It's as simple as that. So what had happened is, it welds these little sticks on the surface, and then you pull it out with the hammer. Okay, now I'm gonna put you back on the stand so you guys can see the hammer part. Right around here. All right. I have no idea how to use this. There we go. There we go. So you can just break these off. Right. Of course. And now you can use a grinder. I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's no longer indented. So what you're gonna do now is you're just gonna apply a little bit Bondo right here, sand this all the way down, first with the grinder and then with the sander, and just a little bit Bondo. So yeah, that's pretty much how this this tool works. I'm really happy with it. I'm hoping my friend Puerto Rico will not get upset for me banging on his hood. But yeah, that's one of the ways to show you guys how to do it. It's really simple. Like I said, you press it on there and then you push it. Okay, so yeah, the tool costed me around $100. You can get it with a discount, of course, with coupons. You can buy this online as well. Like I said, you get these studs. One of them are thicker, and one of them are thinner. I guess thicker ones you use for for heavier metal to pull it out. Right now I'm working on the, right here is a alternator. I will do a video about it as well. But yeah, this is how you use this tool, a stud welder. So yeah, if you want to buy this tool, you can buy a Harbor Freight or online. It's awesome for dents. It's perfect. It just works. Just really good. So yeah, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys next time in one of the next videos. Laters.